Sri Gurubhyo Namaha children, welcome to our online teaching academy, Ekalaiva. See, this is 12th standard state board, business max, chapter 4, exercise 4.2, second sum. Solve y into 1 minus x into dy by dx equal to 0. First we have to concentrate separating the variables. Separating the variables, and dy and dx should be in the numerator. Should be in the numerator. See here, y into 1 minus x equal to x into dy by dx. Dx in the denominator, so you can bring that dx to the left hand side. Y into 1 minus x equal to x into y into 1 minus x into dx equal to x into dy. Or you will write x into dy equal to y into 1 minus x into dx, because equal to sign can change the values. X into dy equal to y into 1 minus x into dx. Now we move on to separating the variables. Separating the variables, dy. So you bring y term to the left hand side and x term to the right hand side. So 1 by y into dy equal to 1 minus x by x into dx. Separating the variables. Now we separated the variables. See, dy means you bring all the y term to that side. Dx means you bring all the x term to that side. Now we are separated. See here, separated the variables. 1 by y into dy equal to 1 by x minus x by x into dx. 1 by x minus x by x into dx. 1 by y into dy equal to x get cancelled. 1 by x minus 1 into dx. Integrating on both the sides. Integrating on both the sides. What is integral dy by y? Log y. Integral dy by y is nothing but what? Log y equal to 1 by x is log x. 1 by x is log x minus integral dx is nothing but what? Dx is nothing but x. Integral dy by y is log y equal to 1 by x. If you want, you can separate the term and do the integration. 1 by x into dx is nothing but what? Log x minus integral dx is x plus c. X plus c. See here, y dx minus x dy equal to 0. So y dx equal to x dy. But dx and dy in the numerator, but here see, x is there, y is there. So you can bring the term. See here, dx means x should be here. So 1 by x into dx equal to 1 by y into dy. Bring that x term here and y term there. So 1 by x into dx equal to 1 by y into dy. So 1 by x into dx equal to 1 by y into dy. Now we separated that variables, integrating on both the sides. 1 by x into dx is nothing but what? Log x equal to log y. 1 by y into dy is log y. If both the side log as comes, you can write that constant also what? Log c. If both the values are log, you will write that c constant value is also what? Log c. So log x equal to log m plus log n. What is the formula? Log m plus log n equal to log mn. Log m plus log n equal to log mn. So log of yc, log of yc, taking antilog on both the sides, or you rising the exponential on both the sides, log it cancel. Taking antilog on both the sides or you rising the exponential on both the sides, log get cancel. What is the final value you are having? X equal to yc. X equal to yc. See the second subdivision in the third sum. Dy by dx plus e power x plus y into e power x equal to 0. So dy by dx equal to minus e power x minus y e power x. Minus e power x minus y e power x. Bring it into the right hand side. See, dy by dx equal to, you can take it as e power x minus e power x, take it as commonly out. What is the remaining thing? 1 plus y minus e power x, you can take it as commonly out. What is the remaining thing? Minus e power x into 1 plus y. Then dy equal to minus e power x into 1 plus y into dx. 1 plus y into dx. Variable separable. Now we are going to separating the variables because dy and dx term is there. So you bring the dy term and dx to the constant, that is dy term means y term is there. Here you can take it as all the y terms, you can bring it into the left hand side. Dx means all the x terms, you can bring it into the right hand side. So dy by dy equal to minus e power x into 1 plus y into dx. So dy by 1 plus y, dy by 1 plus y equal to minus e power x into dx, minus e power x into dx. Now integrating on both the sides, because we are separated the variables. Dy by 1 plus y equal to minus e power x into dx. So integral dy by 1 plus y equal to, minus is constant, you can take it out, e power x into dx. What is the differentiation of 1? 0. What is the differentiation of y? dy. Differentiation of 1 is 0. Differentiation of y is dy. So it become what? Log of 1 plus y. It become log of 1 plus y equal to minus e power x plus c. Log of 1 plus y equal to minus integral e power x is e power x plus c. So log of 1 plus y, log of 1 plus y plus e power x equal to c. Log of 1 plus y plus e power x equal to c. See the fourth sum. Solve. Cos x into 1 plus cos y into dx minus sin y into 1 plus sin x into dy equal to 0. Cos x into 1 plus cos y into dx equal to, you bring that minus sin y into 1 plus sin x into dy to the right hand side. See here, sin y into 1 plus sin x into dy. Now we are going to separating the variables. See here, dx. So you bring all the x term here. See, cos x by, you bring that 1 plus sin x, 1 plus sin x into dx equal to sin y by, you bring that 1 plus cos y, 1 plus cos y into dy. See in the rougher column, what is the differentiation of? What is the differentiation of 1 plus sin x? Differentiation of 1 plus sin x is what? 1 is 0, sin x is what? Cos x. 1 is 0, sin x is cos x. What is the differentiation of 1 plus cos y? 1 plus cos y. 1 plus cos y equal to 1 is 0 minus sin y. 1 is 0 minus sin y. See here, integrating on both the sides. Integral cos x by 1 plus sin x into dx equal to integral sin y by 1 plus cos y into dy. 1 plus cos y into dy. See here, I can take it as 1 plus sin x equal to t. Differentiate with respect to x on both the sides. So, cos x into dx equal to dt, because 1 become 0. The same way, 1 plus cos y, 1 plus cos y, I can take it as yes, 1 plus cos y. Differentiate with respect to x on both the, differentiate with respect to y on both the sides. 1 become 0. Cos y means minus sin y equal to ds. Minus sin y equal to into dy equal to ds. See here, 0 minus sin y into dy equal to ds. So, sin y, because in the numerator sin y dy value is there. So, sin y dy equal to minus ds. Sin y dy equal to minus ds. So, cos x integral cos x dx, integral cos x dx is nothing but what? dt by 1 plus sin x is nothing but t. It gives integral sin y dy is minus ds by s. So, integral dt by t is nothing but log t equal to minus log s. When both the sides log term has come, you can write what? Log c. The constant is also, you will write log value, log c. So, log t plus log s equal to log c. Log t plus log s equal to log c. So, log m plus log n value. What is log m plus log n value? Log mn. So, log of ts equal to log c. Taking antilog on both the sides or raising the exponential on both the sides, ts equal to c. Now, you replaced and t and s value by what? What we have to keep? T value is what? 1 plus sin x. What is the s value? S value is 1 plus cos y equal to c. T is nothing but what? 1 plus sin x and s is nothing but 1 plus cos y, because we have replaced, because we have assumed that value is equal to t. So, finally you bring the answer, it is in a form of a question. So, t is nothing but 1 plus sin x and s is nothing but 1 plus cos y equal to c. See the fifth sum. Solve 1 minus x into dy minus 1 plus y into dx equal to 0. So, 1 minus x into dy equal to, you bring this term to the right hand side, 1 plus y into dx. 1 plus y into dx. So, dy, you bring dy to this side, dy by 1 plus y equal to dx by 1 minus x, dx by 1 minus x. Now, you integrating on both the side, you do it in your F4 column. See here, you can take it as 1 plus y equal to t. 1 plus y equal to t. Differentiate with respect to y, you are doing 1 become 0, y become dy equal to dt. dy equal to dt. Next, 1 minus x equal to s. 1 minus x equal to s. 1 become 0. With respect to x you are doing minus dx equal to ds. But in the numerator dx is there. So, dx equal to minus ds. dx equal to minus ds. See here, integral dy. dy is nothing but what? dt by 1 plus y t equal to integral dx. dx is nothing but minus ds by s. Minus ds by s. See, you can take it minus commonly out. Minus out. So, integral dt by t equal to minus, you can take it out, integral ds by s. Integral dt by t is nothing but what? Log t. Log t equal to minus log s. If both the sides log s come, you can write what? That constant also you will write log c. So, plus log c plus log c. Is it clear, children? C log t plus log s. Log t plus log s equal to log c. Log m plus log n equal to log mn. Log m plus, we already seen the previous sum, the same format. Log m plus log n equal to log mn. So, log of ts equal to log c. Log of ts equal to log c. So, taking anti-log on both the sides, or you are raising the exponential on both the sides, what the value we are getting? Ts equal to c. Last, you replace the t value and s value in the given term. See, what is the value of t? 1 plus y. T is 1 plus y. What is the value of s? S is 1 minus x equal to c. You replace that value, that is t and s. T value is 1 plus y and s value is what? 1 minus x equal to c. See the sixth sum, first subdivision, dy by dx equal to y into sine 2x. The dx in the denominator, you can bring it into the numerator. So, cross multiplication, see here, dy equal to y sine 2x into dx. Now, we are going to separating the variables. See y. So, you bring it y here. dy by y equal to sine 2x into dx. Integrating on both the sides. Integral dy by y is nothing but what? Log y. Integral dy by y is log y equal to integral sine 2x. What is the integral sine 2x? Integral sine 2x is minus cos 2x. That x coefficient you can write it in the denominator by 2 plus c, because here only one term as log value. Okay, not both the terms. If both the terms as a log value, you will write log c. But here only one term as log value. Log y equal to integration of sine 2x is minus cos 2x. That x coefficient you can write it in the denominator by 2 plus c. So, log y plus cos 2x by 2 equal to c. Log y plus cos 2x by 2 equal to c. See the second subdivision, sixth sum, second subdivision. Log of dy by dx equal to ax plus by. See, log of dy by dx. First you can taking exponential on both the sides. Taking exponential on both the sides. So what is the value we are getting now? E power log of dy by dx equal to e power ax plus by. E power log, the value is 1. The value is 1. So dy by dx equal to e power ax plus by. So see here, dy by dx equal to exponential format. What is the exponential format? E power, indices formula, e power by. If the bases are same, we can add the powers. So e power ax into e power by. If the exponential property, indices property, e power ax into e power by, if the bases are same, we can add the powers. Now dy equal to e power ax into e power by into dx. E power ax into e power by into dx. Now we are going to separating the variables. So dy by e power by equal to e power ax into dx. E power ax into dx. You bring that e power by to the numerator. E power minus by into dy equal to e power ax into dx. E power minus by into dy equal to e power ax into dx. Now integrating on both the sides. See here, integral e power minus by into dy equal to integral e power ax into dx. E power by, e power minus by. What is the integration of e power x? E power x. Coefficient you can write it in the denominator. So e power minus by by minus b, because the coefficient of y is minus b, equal to e power ax by a plus c. E power ax by a, because that x coefficient is what? A plus c. Here y coefficient is minus b plus c. So e power ax by a, you can bring it to this side, plus e power minus by by b, because minus is there. You can write this minus to the numerator also, plus e power minus by by b plus c equal to 0, plus c equal to 0. See the seventh sum, it's an important sum. Find the curve whose gradient at any point p of x comma y on it is x minus a by y minus b and which passes through the origin. What is that origin? 0, 0. Given gradient equal to what? X minus a by y minus b. What is the meaning for the gradient? Slope means dy by dx. Gradient is nothing but what? Slope. Dy by dx equal to x minus a by y minus b. So see here, dy equal to x minus a by y minus b into dx. First you bring it dy and dx in the numerator. Now what is the next step? Separating the variables. So you separating the variables, y minus b into dy equal to x x minus a into dx. Y minus b into dy equal to x minus a into dx. Integrating on both the sides, y minus b into dy equal to integral x minus a into dx, x minus a into dx. See, integration of y, if you want you can separately you can do the integration, integral y dy minus integral b dy, or if you know you can do it straight away. What is the integration of y? Y power 1. Y power 1 means x power n plus 1 by n plus 1 formula. So, y square by 2. Y square by 2 minus b into dy. B into dy is nothing but by equal to x square by 2, because that power is 1, x square by 2 minus ax plus c, minus, because integral dy is nothing but y square by 2 minus by equal to x square by 2 minus ax plus c. What is given? Passes through the origin. Passes through the origin 0, 0. This is x value and this is y value. So 0. 0 minus 0, because b value, y value is 0. 0 into any number 0. It gives 0 minus 0 plus c. So what is the value of c? C value is equal to 0. What is the value of c? C value is equal to 0. So see here, y square by 2 minus by equal to x square by 2 minus ax. So what is the value of c? C value is 0. You substitute in this equation first. Okay. See here, y square by 2 minus by equal to x square by 2 minus ax. Taking LCM as 2. So y square minus 2by by 2. Y square minus, you can take it as 2 as the LCM. Y square minus 2by by 2 equal to, the same way this side also, right hand side also you can take it as 2 as the LCM. X square minus 2ax by 2. 2 get cancel. 2 get cancel. So y square minus 2by equal to x square minus 2ax. Add and subtract b square in the left hand side, add and subtract a square in the right hand side, you get a format identity. See here, y square minus 2by, add and subtract. Add and subtract. The same way, x square minus 2ax, add and subtract a square, because we are getting the identity. See, y square minus 2by plus b square, it's nothing but what? A minus b the whole square formula. So, y minus b the whole square minus b square equal to x minus a the whole square minus a square. X minus a the whole square minus a square. See here, y square minus 2by plus b square minus b square. The same way, x square minus 2ax plus a square. What is the formula for a minus b the whole square? A square minus 2ab plus b square. So, y minus b the whole square minus b square equal to x minus a the whole square minus a square. So, it gives y minus b the whole square minus b square equal to x minus a the whole square minus a square. See here, y minus b the whole square. You bring this constant term to the what left? Right hand side. It gives x minus a the whole square minus a square plus b square minus a square plus b square. Y minus b the whole square equal to x minus a the whole square plus b square minus a square. Y minus b the whole square equal to x minus a the whole square plus b square minus a square. I hope you enjoyed this class, children. We will meet you tomorrow. Thank you, children.